Hey man, I'm so sorry.
What's up?
You got the killers in there, man.
Huh?
You got the killers in there.
Yeah, what's up, man?
We're working. I got two of my guys working right behind here. We're doing all the house washes in the area.
I got a mom power wash.
We're actually doing a very discounted rate just to help out everybody. The thing is that since we're already working, it'll be super easy for us to swing our equipment over and get it knocked out for you guys. Let's do $650.
Deal.
It's Anthony here. We do it for you pressure washing. It's Joseph right there, man. You already know what's going on. We're actually doing a house wash on this house right here. How much we got it for?
$350.
$350. So we're gonna add that up to the board.
There you go. Getting that done. We're just soft washing these homes, nothing crazy. Laying that chemical down and rinsing it off. Let it do its thing. So hopefully you guys are tuning in, enjoying the content. It is very hard to keep up with this stuff while keeping up with all this work and everything, but you know, as long as you guys show me that you're engaged, you're loving the content, you're at least learning something from it, you know, that motivates me every day. So
man, as you see, he had to get up there because he's short. But we just completed this house right here.
Welcome back, YouTube. I mean, look, there's not much to say. You see the board, you see where we're at today. We have Travertine that we're doing today. And what are we doing new today that actually nobody has seen on the channel yet?
We're stripping.
Not that kind of stripping, guys. Come on, be real. We're stripping this Travertine. There was some sealer on it. We're gonna strip it down. Her son is slipping on it. So if you guys didn't know anything about Travertine, it's very slippery, and if you don't seal it correctly, it can get more slippery. So we're not gonna do too much talking. Just 100K videos. Like I said, we're just gonna be in and out the content, getting the job done.
If I can do it, you can do it too.
Check that out, guys. We started the pressure washing, and we actually acquired this job through a referral of one of Anthony's close friends. So network.
Stripper is down here, pretty much fully cure. I mean, you see that stuff filling up crazy. That's what we're removing today. All this old sealer.
All right, guys, you seen that stripper, how thick that was. We rolled it down with the roller, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then turbo nozzled it off. So I can't believe where we are, man. We are cooking. It's about to be springtime. So this job was a total of $6,700. We're gonna go ahead and add that to the board right now. Hope you guys don't think we're lying about any of this. This is pure motivation for you guys to go out there and get it. Let's see what we have next.
Man, I'm dying out here. We just finished stripping this whole area right here. We're about to let it sit for a little bit. Then we're gonna start getting it up. If I can do it, you can do it too.
All right, so guys, we just laid down that sealer like Anthony said, and we let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. I mean, I don't know, this still looks a little wet, but we got some areas here that's already pretty much getting dried up. So we're gonna go ahead and start the surface clean. You can see over here. It's all old sealer right there. See that? So we're gonna be removing this with the surface cleaner and the turbo nozzle, and we're gonna go ahead and go through the whole deck. So stay tuned. If you guys don't have one of these, you need one. It's a ball valve. Be able to shut the water on and off. And if you guys are a faster learner than me, you might want to get one of these clamps so you don't have to, like, you know, hold it with your hands. But bro, we're looking great. About pretty much 3/4 of the pool finished with sealer. It's turbo nozzle in the rest, like 25% of the way. You can see everything's protected over there, and make sure you protect your client's stuff, right? If not, it's your ass. So yeah, we're gonna get back to it and then head out for lunch and then come back and sand it. So okay. All right, y'all, we got 2-part sealer here, putting down cobble lock with grip. As y'all know, like we said, this thing was super slippery. Now we're gonna put the grip down. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Glock 3000 and mix it up. We live, baby. All right, just lay down that sealer.
All right, guys, so we wrapped up that project and then on to the next. So we've had a couple house washes the week after because obviously spring season's coming. HOAs are pushing out letters. So this house wash here was $350. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the board. And then we have the second house wash right after this, which was a total of $350 as well. Alrighty, it's Jim. You already know what we got today. You see here, Travertine, beautiful house wash. Not really much to say. You see the algae growing here? All we do is hit this with the chemical right here. Algae, the algae, hit this magic chemical, and then let it sit, and it goes away. So, alright guys, so as I'm watching this, I'm noticing that I'm forgetting to put jobs in there. So I guess that's a good thing. But here we had this house wash I just did today, another house wash I'm gonna throw in, and then this re-level we did as well. Sorry I'm not keeping up with the content. I have a lot of things to think about when I'm on my daily, going out on my daily jobs and things like that. So I'm definitely trying to get a cameraman to get better and better quality videos and consistent videos going out for you guys. So appreciate the support, like and subscribe.